Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing this American Standard disposal under our sink. We're going to go ahead and open up and take a look at what we have inside here. It comes with a sink flange that if you need to replace it, if your disposal is not compatible with what you currently have in place, you'll have to replace this. We're going to try today to do it so we don't have to do that, make it a little easier on ourselves. But disposal should come, a couple things. If you're replacing it, you want to make sure that it has a plug that makes life a lot easier. And then it should come with some new hardware equipment as well. Cover. And then the pipe, this is for the main drain that comes out of your disposal, that as it drains, it will go through this pipe. Just make sure that it goes to the right place. And then some of the mounting hardware that we'll need to attach it to your existing pipes to the disposal. So that's all we should have, as well as the actual equipment for the disposal. So it also have a removable splash guard that will come with the kit as well. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to make sure that we unplug the disposal. You'll follow it, the cord comes right here from disposal. We can see where it goes to the outlet there. Just go ahead and remove that. You're going to want to make sure that the power is turned off. And then a couple things to note here, there's this PVC pipe coming in here, and then this hose. This is from the dishwasher, so anytime the dishwasher runs, it will pass through the disposal. And then we have this other main line that as stuff comes down the sink and is processed through the disposal, it'll come through this line as well. So we're gonna wanna just disconnect both of those now. And something else to note, you probably wanna get like a bowl or a towel, put it down underneath, because you might have some unwanted liquids. With the dishwasher line, we're gonna just get some pliers and pinch this off. Got that line loose. We're going to remove the other line as well with the flathead. We should be able to remove that as well. So we're going to go ahead and remove it from the other line.